Hi friends, welcome to our lecture series on Python programming. In last sessions, we have seen how to install interpreter for Python and how to verify the setup of Python practically using the default IDE, that is integrated development and learning environment, which is get installed along with Python interpreter. Today, we are going to see how to do some more programming with this IDLE. IDLE means integrated development and learning environment. So we'll see some of the programming with this IDLE, that is how to do the programming with this IDLE. So to open this IDLE, simply type Python in a search bar and one white screen get open. It will take some time. So such a white screen get open on your computer. So how to do the programming with this IDLE? So simply first we will see how to use this Python as a calculator. So in last session also we have seen we can directly do the programming on a Python. For example, in last session we have seen 2 plus 3. Python give us answer. That is addition. We can do the addition without declaring the variable because Python supports the dynamic semantics. There is no need to declare the variable or with variable with data type. You can do the subtraction also. For example, 4 minus 2. Yes, it will give us answer. Also, we can do the multiplication. 6 multiplied by 6. Answer, we are expecting 36. Yes, Python give us answer 36. Now we can do division operations also. See here. That is 7 divided by 2. 3.5. Python is very intelligent. It gives the division output in a floating point or in a decimal point format. Suppose we do not want this decimal part. We want just a integer division as like another programming language. Yes, we can do that. Only we have to add one more slash. And Python gives us answers. Only 3. So it is called as floor division or integer division. So in this way, we can use the Python as a calculator. Dynamic programming, single line code. So again, we can do the modulus also. So modulus operator is same as the another programming languages. 7 module 2. So it will give us a remaining part, that is 1. So we can do such a Python programming. Or suppose I want to find out the cube of 2. So how we can do find out the cube of 2? 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. So it will give answer, that is cube. But if I want 2 to the power 10, then I have to write the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 10 times. But there is one more facility in Python. You can write in this way: 2 multiplication operator or asterisk and 3. Then it will give us a power. This is called as 2 to the power 3. And again, we will get answer 8. So we can do the combination of mathematical operations also. For example, 8 plus 2 multiplied by 4. So answer is 16. That is 4 into 2, 8 plus 8. So it is following the grammar. It is a rule of mathematics. First multiplication and then addition. It will give us 16. Suppose I want addition first and then multiplication, then again you can do take the help of parenthesis. 8 plus 2 and multiply by 4. So it is 48 plus 2, 10 multiplied by 4. So in this way you can deal with the numbers, or it is called as the integer numbers or the floating point numbers. So also you can deal with the sequence of character. We can deal with the sequence of character using Python also. Suppose I want to type some string, give it, suppose it is Python. In double quotes, just typing Python. And I'm simply pressing enter. It will give us the answer. See, it's giving us answer in the single quotes. Output it is in a single quote. I'm typing it in double quote and suppose I'm typing in a single quote again. Python. Single quote. So it will give it again a single quote, or we can take the help of print function also, which is a predefined function in Python programming language. For example, print and welcome to Python. So it will print. See, now there is no single quote. If we are using the print function, it is not giving. So see, your output is with single quote. Here output is single quote. But when I am using the print function output, it is not using single quote. Also, I can use same function with single quote also. Print. Suppose I'm using single quote, and again same string. Welcome to Python. Single quote close. Enter. It will give a result, same result, single quote. Or we can use a single quote in a double quote also. For example, print. I'm using double quote. Welcome to, and I'm using it is in a single quote. For example, Python. And here double quote. So what is the output? So you see here, output is, now my Python is in a single quote, or you can use a double quote inside a single quote. Print. Suppose now I want a Python in double quote, Python word in double quote. So use double quote, Python, close the double quote, close the single quote, close the parenthesis. So now Python is in a double quote. See here, Python is in a double quote. So in this way you can deal with the string also. Now I will show you some magic you can do in this way also. 10 multiplication Python. What is the output? So this is new thing. If we are executing such a statement in another programming language, there is error, but in Python, just a minute. Here also there is an error. He is saying Python is not defined. So you can type in this way, 10 multiplication, suppose use Python in a single quote. So it will print the Python word 10 times. It is using Python words 10 times. So this is a one with a Python. So till time we have run the program, a single line code, which is in ideally, which is an interactive type of programming. As I'm executing statement, it will give me the output. So it is called as interactive programming, or a programming in a shell, Python shell, ideally. But how to do the programs, the big programs, or multiple line programs, and how to execute that multiple lines program? So here, one facility is there in IDE. Suppose we are doing any big project. So we are writing a program in different files, and then we are executing that programs, multiple line programs in the file. So we can do the same thing in this ideally also. So go to file and new file. So one file get open for you. So one file get open for you. See here, just a second. So this is my file. So how to do the programming? First, I will clear my screen here. Sorry, here we have to use the function as a function. So how to do the multiple line of code? Suppose here also I am writing print, and again I'm writing here simply Python. So how to execute this code in this command prompt? So simply go to run option of this file window and say run module. So it will give us a error. Source must be saved. So you cannot run such a code. So you have to do the step-by-step thing. So when you are writing a code, step number 2 is go and save the code. So how to save the code? On your computer, anywhere, first create a folder. Give that folder name, suppose Python code, or just py code. Open the folder and give your file name. Suppose this is my first file, so I'm giving demo, and give always save your all Python program with py extension, then it is a Python file, and save it. So after saving this code, see here, so it is giving a name demo.py, and I have saved it in on my desktop py code. Now go to run command and go to run option of this file and run module. See here, it will get run. So I press it 2 times, so it is running 2 times. Run and run module. So it is now it will get executed the only 1 time. So in this way you can run the things. So how to do the multiple line program? Suppose I'm doing here, simply write, suppose we will do the program to add 2 numbers. Suppose x equal to 10, and I'm declaring I'm creating another variable. Variable is which is a name given to memory location, or it is a container. So for 20, I'm declaring a third variable, that is z equal to x plus y. So we'll see what is the variable memory is allocated in a upcoming section. So this is just an example multiple line program, and simply type here print z. Again save this program. Again save this program and go to run module. See here, z equal to 30. Z equal to 30. You get the output z equal to 30. So in this way you can execute the multiple line program. So this is not one way to execute a multiple line program. You can execute it with a command line also. So go to command prompt of Windows. Command prompt. So command prompt is here. Go to your directory first. CD desktop, and here we have created one folder, that is PyCode. Execute here dir command. You will see there is one file, that is demo.py. So how to execute this command? To execute, how to execute this file? Demo.py. So there is a command Python python and give your file name, that is demo.py, and press enter. See here, you will get a output on command prompt 30. So in this way, you can use this default IDE to do the small programs. So how to do the programming for big projects, we'll see in upcoming sessions. That is, we have so many IDE available in market for Python. So in upcoming sessions, we will see what are that IDEs and how to choose the best IDE to do the Python programming. So in this way, we can use this ideally to do the Python programming with a multiple line and single line and multiple line programs, and how to execute that programs using ideally run module facility and the command prompt. So till time, thank you very much. So do not forget to subscribe our channel Rise and Shine for such more programming and new technologies videos. Also, we are providing the this channel is having so many series on your academic subjects also. So keep watching, keep learning our channel Rise and Shine. That is, from this channel contains the videos from KG to PG and from stotras to syntax. Thank you, student. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much.